So over here, you can see that I have this Excel sheet right here. And let's say I want to write a formula to calculate out the average for this particular cell range right here. But I don't know how to write that formula. Then what you can do is you can go around and just see what the data are. So this is A1, as you can see, to A5. So what I want to do is I want to know the formula to generate out the average value from cell A1 to A5 right here. So I'm just going to go around and do that, and I'm going to go around and say write an Excel formula to calculate the average values from cells A1 to A5, just like this, and press enter. So once I do that, you can see that it generated out the formula. So you can simply go around and copy out the code, and you can go around over here and paste this out right here, just like this, and press enter, and you can see that you simply have this. So this is how, if you were to go around and forget out Excel formulas or want to find out what, then you can simply go around and let ChatGPT generate it out for you, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.